More than 480 billion plastic drinking bottles were sold in 2016 across the world. Plastics are inexpensive and durable, and as a result, levels of plastic production by humans are high. More than 60 million of plastic bottles end up in landfills and incinerators every day. Normally, it can take up to 1,000 years to decompose in landfills. The chemical structure of most plastics renders them resistant to many natural processes of degradation, and as a result, they are slow to degrade. Plastic pollution in the Earth's environment adversely affects wildlife habitat, and humans. It is estimated that 1.1 to 8.8 million metric tons of plastic waste enters the ocean from coastal communities each year. As of 2018, about 318 million tons of plastic is produced worldwide each year. Some researchers suggest that by 2050 there could be more plastic than fish in the oceans by weight. Plastic recycling helps to reduce the energy usage. It reduces the consumption of fresh raw materials. It reduces the water pollution and the air pollution from the landfilling by reducing the need for conventional waste disposal, and it reduces the greenhouse gases emission.
Hi, welcome to Eureka Archery. My name is Anwar. So today I'll be testing out a new item that I've made using recycled plastic. So this is the item. This is a non-mechanical archery release, and this is how it looks like. This is made from HDPE. Mostly it's bottle caps, detergent containers, shampoo bottles, and as such. And it has been melted down, compressed and formed, and finally carved to this shape. Now this is an archery release. Can be used for both 3-finger style and thumb release, and the best part of it is that it's recycled plastic. You're doing archery at the same time you are helping the environment. So this is how it looks like. You can see the multiple layers and colors from the plastic. And in a few minutes I'll be shooting using this archery release, starting with a very light 30-pound bow and moving up to a 50-pound bow. So we'll be using a 30-pound crab bow with carbon arrows. And for this shot, we'll be using it left-handed and with the 3-finger style. So here we go. So how you actually use this release is actually very straightforward. You put it on your fingers as such, preferably the middle finger for 3 fingers, and then you put your index finger on the lever, and you can see there's a little notch for the string. So step by step, knock the arrow as such, and then you will want to hook the string on the release, and now you're ready to shoot. So if you want to shoot, you just draw back to your anchor point and you just point with your index finger. Arrow shoots straight, gives you a clean release every time. So let's try that again. Hook, draw, anchor, and point. So this way you can actually be more consistent. Hook, draw, going to shoot from a high stance and point. Very easy to use, and if you're a beginner, this could actually save your fingers a bit. It may need some getting used to, but after a few shots, you will see that your arrows will fly straight and your fingers doesn't hurt. So if you want to shoot using this release in a thumb release style, you put it on your index finger and you anchor it with your thumb as such. So here we go. So HDPE plastic is really tough, really solid, and to show you that, I'll be using a 50-pound kayabo with this archery release in the style of thumb shooting. So to shoot like a thumb release, you put it like this, anchor it at the thumb, and when you're ready to shoot, just open your thumb. But this time we'll try the 3 fingers. So this version is slightly different. This is the number 9 release. This is specially used for the 2-finger shooting. So we'll try this at a longer distance. So with this kind of archery releases, well, you're really helping the environment, and of course you're helping us out. So we are recycling plastic and we are making these products. So part of the inspiration for this project is from Precious Plastic. They are the pioneers in social plastic recycling. And of course some of the design is actually inspired by the Backyard Bowyer, and this is one of his designs alongside this one with some minor modifications, essentially making it perfect for traditional archery. So rather than let the plastic go to waste, we make this archery release to help the environment. So rather than leaving it to decompose over 100 or a few hundred years, you can actually own a piece of precious plastic made into an archery release. Of course, it can be made into a pendant like such, or a keychain, but ultimately these plastics are precious. Recycle them whenever you can. So support us in our endeavor in making the world a better place by getting the recycled plastic archery release, exclusively handmade by Eureka Archery. So as you can see, shooting can be made consistent with the help of this archery release. For more info on plastic recycling and on archery, we are on Facebook and on YouTube. We are Eureka Archery. So my name is Anwar. Till next time, be an archer today.